Hi, I'm Paul from VeloWorks, and I'm going to tell you what we've been building this week wheel-wise in the workshop. Come join me. So here at VeloWorks, we love rim brake wheels. We also love disc brake wheels. Don't get us wrong, we love disc brake wheels and we build lots and we have disc brakes on our bikes. But we do like the traditionalness of rim brake wheels, and that leads us to build lots and lots of single speed and fixed gear wheels. Oh, I would say probably like 15 years ago, the fixed gear scene had a huge boom, especially here in Bristol, massive, maybe just over 15 years ago. And that genre of cycling has had a steady following since, places like London, where fixed geared and single speed makes real sense because it's flatter. You can choose your ratio of gear. Bristol, it makes sense, but it is a little bit more hilly, so you do see less these days, but there is a real strong following. So what do I mean by fixed and single speed? So fixed gear is where the cog is fixed. There's no freewheel. So as you pedal, if you were to pedal and you stopped pedaling, the cranks will keep turning. Basically, you can't stop pedaling unless you use a brake or you slow the pedaling down. Single speed is where it's a single speed cog and it does have a freewheel like a regular bike, so you can stop pedaling. And we build loads of them, absolutely loads of them. And here's a couple that are going out the workshop this week. They've got H+ Sun rims, which are a great option. They do silver, they do black, and they do grey. They're a great option for fixed or single speed setups. We've got DT Swiss track hub. So this one on this side is specifically a fixed hub. So it has a fixed cog. You can have two cogs on either side, different ratios of gears. Really, really beautiful set of wheels. This one has the BLB King hubs. This is the front wheel, but the rear is for fixed, what they call fixed and free. So that's fixed and you can put a single speed cog on it, so you can have the best of both worlds. This one's been custom spec'd for the customer, so he wanted silver tastic to go on his Condor frame, and this is one of our stock ones that you can buy off the website, but both have been lovingly hand built by me. So yeah, get in touch with us if you need some single speed wheels. We have a few on our website, but we can do infinitely more for you. So yeah, give us a shout and let us know if you ride fixie and why you enjoy riding fixie or single speed. Thanks for watching.